Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Respect all, adore one. Competent disciples are never in want of a competent guru. Realized souls are not rare, but ordinary ignorant persons cannot easily recognize them. Only a few persons who are pure and embodiments of all virtuous qualities can understand realized souls, and they only will be benefited in their company. The number of realized souls may be less in the present age when compared with the Satya Yuga, the golden age, but they are always present to help the aspirants. They are always searching for the proper adhikaris, qualified aspirants. Let each man take the path according to his capacity, understanding, and temperament. His true guru will meet him along that path. Do not dig shallow pits here and there for obtaining water, for the pits will dry up soon. Dig a very deep pit in one place and centralize all the efforts there. We will find good water that can supply throughout the year. Even so, try to imbibe thoroughly the spiritual teachings from one preceptor alone. Drink deeply from one man. Sit at his feet for some years. It is useless to wander from one man to another out of curiosity, losing faith in a short time. Do not have the ever changing mind of a prostitute, but follow the spiritual instructions of one man only. If we go to several people and follow the instruction of many persons, we will become quite bewildered and be in a dilemma. From one doctor, we get a prescription. From two doctors, we get consultation. From three doctors, we get our own cremation. Even so, if we have many gurus, we will be bewildered and be at a loss to know what to do. One guru will tell us, do this. Another will tell us, do that. A third guru will tell us, do the other. We will be quite puzzled. Stick to one guru and follow his instructions. Listen to all but follow one. Respect all but adore one. Gather knowledge from all but adopt the teachings of one master. Then we will have rapid spiritual progress. The Guru and the scriptures can show us the path and remove our doubts. Direct experience or direct intuitive knowledge is left for our own experience. A hungry man will have to eat for himself. No doubt the Guru's blessings can do everything. But how can one have his blessings? By pleasing the Guru. A Guru can be pleased with his disciple only if the latter carries out his spiritual instructions implicitly. Therefore, follow the instructions of the Guru carefully. Only then will we deserve his blessings, which can do everything.
Oh.